Hi there, it's Christina Calhoun from prettyhomerealty.com. And today we're going to be discussing upgrades. So if you are preparing your home to sell, the goal is to get it in the best condition possible so that you can make the most possible. But not all upgrades are created equal. Some will actually get you a good return on the investment, but others could be a waste of your resources. So I'm going to give you 3 tips of what upgrades you can do to get the best return and the highest profit. One thing to keep in mind is that things have changed in the last couple of years. In response to the pandemic, there are certain home features that are way more attractive to buyers. So let's talk about some of those. Point number 1 has to do with adding usable square footage to your house. According to HomeLight, there was a survey done, and needing more space is one of the top reasons for people to move. So, adding a home office, opening a floor plan, or making the basement finished so that you can use it for whatever you need is something that is really important to buyers nowadays. Point number 2, improve the curb appeal. So when buyers are searching on websites looking for houses, the first one they see, that exterior shot, it's all about curb appeal. This is going to make the first impression on them. So focus on landscaping, adding mulch, maybe even some perennials that'll rebloom every year. And you don't have to do a major undertaking. You could just add a new coat of paint to your front door, replace the mailbox, and sprucing up those numbers on the house make a really good impression. Also, don't neglect the backyard. Since the pandemic, a lot of people are looking for more outdoor activities, spending time in the fresh air. So a deck in the back, or adding a fire pit, a built-in barbecue, things like that really do add value to your house and make it more appealing to buyers. And upgrade number 3 so that you can get top value for your property. It's still in the kitchens. Think about it. You added square footage. You made a backyard oasis. But the kitchen is still a train wreck. No. Kitchens and bathrooms still to this day is going to give you the best appraised value, top dollar for your home. But don't figure this out on your own. Give us a call. We can tell you what's on trend, what are buyers really looking for in a kitchen. And we have access to contractors that can do these upgrades for you. So be sure to reach out to us. So now, every home is different. So feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, so that we can discuss which option is best for you, what upgrades will give you the best value for your property, and we can set things up with our contractors if need be. Thanks for watching. I'm Christina Calhoun from prettyhomerealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you.